Hey everyone, welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Jaxon.
And I'm Lina. We're so happy you're here today.
Today's topic is casual greetings and responses, how to say hello and how to answer.
Yes, simple, real English you can use every day. At school, at work, with friends.
Before we start, quick reminder, if you like this podcast, please like, follow, and share.
It really helps us, and it helps more learners find us. Thank you.
Okay, let's begin. Listen first, then we'll practice together.
First, let's talk about saying hello. The easiest word is hi.
Yes, just hi. You can say it to anyone.
Another one is hello, a little more polite. Hello, teacher. Hello, neighbor.
And with friends, we often say, hey.
Right. Hey is friendly and casual.
Let's listen to a short dialogue. Just listen first. Hey, Lina.
Hi, Jaxon. How are you?
Did you hear that? Jaxon said, hey, Lina. I said, hi, Jaxon.
Very simple, very natural. You can say hi, hello, or hey.
Now your turn. Repeat after me. Hi, hello, hey.
Good job. You're doing great already. After hi, we often say, how are you?
This is very common. How are you?
Now, how do we answer? Easy answers are, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm okay.
All are good answers. Let's listen again.
Hi, Jaxon. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine.
I'm good, thanks. And you?
And I said, I'm fine.
We also say thanks or thank you. It sounds polite.
Let's practice together. You answer me, okay? How are you?
Nice. Even if you said, I'm good or I'm fine, that's perfect.
Let's try again.
How are you?
Great job. You're improving already.
Sometimes we add a little more. For example, I'm good, just busy.
Or, I'm okay, a little tired.
Simple words, very real.
Let's listen to one more short talk.
Hey, Lina, how are you today?
I'm good, just a little tired. How about you?
I'm fine, just busy with work.
I said, I'm good, just a little tired.
And I said, I'm fine, just busy with work.
You can use easy words. Tired, busy, happy, okay.
Let's try speaking together. I'm good, just busy.
I'm okay, a little tired.
Awesome. That sounds very natural.
Let's recap today's key phrases.
For greetings, hi, hello, hey.
To ask, how are you?
To answer, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm okay. And you can add, just busy, a little tired, pretty good.
Remember, simple English is good English. You don't need big words.
Practice a little every day. Even 2 minutes helps.
Practice a little every day. Even 2 minutes helps.
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you for learning with us today. You did a great job.
See you next time. Keep practicing, keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.